Hi everyone, this is Maripooh13 speaking, and I want to unprove something. You know these bubblegum wrappers, you get a joke them. And on this one, it is written that it is impossible to sneeze with both eyes open. And I am going to unprove that.
White. I think it's loud in the night. Everything's cold, so cold outside. I listen to the waves all alone. I know it means the storm will come. I want to live in.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one last time because 4 times in a row it's already like hurting my nose. So I'm just gonna try it a 5th time, and if it doesn't work, it's gonna be proven that it is impossible to sneeze with both eyes open. Alright, I'm not able to do. Okay guys, so it is impossible to sneeze with both eyes open. Okay, I just don't want to try anymore. I can't sneeze with both eyes opened. They always close at some point. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, just respond to my video.